In this video, I'll show you how to index a website with Google Search Console in 2026. If your website or web pages aren't appearing on Google Search, this guide will help you understand how indexing works and what you can do to improve it. First, sign in to your Google Search Console account and select your verified website. Before trying to index your pages, make sure you've already submitted your sitemap. A sitemap helps Google discover all the important pages on your website. Next, click on the **URL inspection ** tool from the left menu. Enter the full URL of the page you want Google to index and press *enter **. Google will check whether the page is already indexed. If the page is already indexed, you'll see a confirmation message. If it isn't, Google will display its current indexing status, along with any issues preventing it from being indexed. Make sure the page is publicly accessible, not blocked by your *robots.txt** file, and doesn't contain a **noindex* meta tag. Also, check that the page returns a normal *200 OK ** status and isn't redirecting to another URL. If everything looks good, click ** request indexing *. Google will test whether the page can be crawled. If the test is successful, your indexing request will be added to Google's crawling queue. Keep in mind that requesting indexing doesn't mean your page will appear in Google immediately. It can take anywhere from a few hours to several days, depending on your website and Google's crawling schedule. To help Google index your site faster, publish high-quality content, create internal links between your pages, keep your sitemap updated, and avoid duplicate or low-value content. Regularly checking the ** page's ** report in Google Search Console can also help you identify and fix indexing problems. That's it. You've learned